Okay, guys, so for this question, you've been asking me to solve it. Let's see. Hopefully, this will help understand better. Let me just open my lovely whiteboard. Delete this. I'm not sure who was scratching. Anyway, so back to the question. We have a number of employees and four units: unit A, B, C, D, and E. No, just D. Each unit they have a number of employees, serve the number of customers. So the input is employees, labor time. The output is a number of customer being processed or served. What information we have? The hourly rate, $25 per hour. Overhead is one-time labor cost. So whatever the labor cost, this is one by. If I say twice, two by. Third time the labor cost, three by, and so on. Material costs, $5 per customer. So each of these cost us $5. So total 5 by this number, 36. A. Compute labor productivity. This is 1. Let's go see. We have the productivity equal output over input. What is our output here? We serve 36 customers. What is the input? We used how many employees? I think 4. Yeah, we have 4 employees. So this is our labor productivity. If I go to multi-factor productivity, multi-factor is whatever factor I provided you with or the question. Output still the same, 36. Now, what is our input? First of all, for multi-factor, we have a laborer, we have and their time, we have the overhead, and we have the materials. So if I start with the laborer, how many laborers I have? 4. How many hours they work for? As per the question that says here, use 8 hours a day for multi-factor productivity, and each hour cost me $25. So 4 by $25 by 8 hours they work today. This is labor costs. Plus, what else? What other cost I have as input? I have material costs. As per the question, every customer cost me $5. Plus, this is labor material costs. Oh, I love this pen. Material cost plus overhead costs is one time labor cost, because as per the question, this one, if you do it, it's 180. Okay, so equal 36 divided by, no, 36 divided by 800 plus, we have 180 here, plus one time one times labor cost, which is this one. Okay, as per the question says the labor cost is one time the labor cost, so again 800, and you have the output here as I provided before, 0.2. So from here we can see what's the labor productivity and multi-factor productivity. This is for unit A. Now you can do yourself, try to understand the inputs, outputs, unit B, C, and D. Now if we go to what else we have in this question, let's see. B. Suppose a new, more standardized procedure is to be introduced that will enable each employee to process one additional customer per day. Compute the expected, again, labor and multi-factor productivity rate for each unit. So what this says here, they have a new procedure to serve the customers. It's more standardized and thus will enable higher processing rate for customers. So this new approach will serve one additional customer per employee. So here we have 4 employees. Each of them will serve one extra plus one per employee. So in total, we have 36 plus 4. Why plus 4? Because every employee will serve one extra. We have 4 employees, so in general, we end up with 5 extra customer serve. So here the output, the new output, rather than we have 36, now we have 41 with the new standardized procedures. Try to repeat what I've done for item A. More or less, it's the same actually, just the output is different here. We have a new output. This will help you to understand that in case you are going to present a new approach to serve customer at the bank, or a new machine to produce your product or assemble your product, what the productivity would be. And then you can compare between this and that. Or you know that in factory A, they have that machine. In factory B, they have that machine. Now you can go and compare the productivity for the both types of machines. Or you are aware about 2 approaches to serve customers. You can compare between the productivity for both of them, and you go from there to decide where to go. I think that's clear. If not, let me know. Okay. Thank you for listening.